Hello everyone, it's Racer 56 here. I'm doing something a little special. A little different today. We're going to open some Matchbox cars for 2025. So, let's see what we open first. Let's open this one. The 1980 AMC Eagle. Here's the card art. Here's the car number is 69 out of 125. So we're going to have 125 models this year of a Matchbox. So let's open them up. Go. AMC Eagle. Here it is. Beige. Awesome. Cool. Thanks. No problem. Alright, what we have open next? This one. 17 Toyota Land Cruiser 78. It's a card art. Cool. And it's a new model for 2025. Here's the card art. Let's open it up. Here he is. Toyota Land Cruiser, 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser. Cool. Awesome. Thanks. No problem. Let's see who we up in. Let's open this one. 2023 BMW M2. Here's a card art. And it's a new model for 2025. So let's open them up. Here he is. 2023 BMW M2. 2023 BMW M2. It is. Got focus. Come on. There you go. Headlights. Headlights. And taillights. Thanks, sir. No problem, BMW. Finally open this one. Alright. And we got the 1997 Acura Integra Type R. It's a card art. And here's a new model for 2025. So let's open them up. Here he is. White. All white. Tail lights. Got red interior. Cool. Thanks. Yes. Alright, so that's my new models. Hope you enjoy. See ya.